Koza. Hangklip Villas. Maybe we should look into that for an Airbnb, maybe. Something there for us. Let's have a look. Where are those fish? Oh, there they are. Tiny little minnows. Nellies. Minnows. And there's, where's the catch? See them here or there? They're gone now. Oh, there's one. One just there on the rock. See that there? The catcher. Just over there somewhere. How many times do you see them chasing an oyster? They just rock up and say, "Swat to be." That's all the name they give them. Perfect, really nice. There we go, we're on our way again. Correct me if you will in the comments, but I believe that sand dune out there is called the Link, and I heard it's a private nature reserve. Yeah, the thing that really captivates the imagination in this area is the big sky. There's just an enormous space above us and around us. Of course, out there it'd be amazing to be up in the mountains and have a look down on the ocean below. The Hangklip is known for its amazing surf. Around the harbour there is a fantastic point break there, some reefs. Also very good fishing. But right now we're heading to what looks like a very nice beach. Let's go there. If you stand on top of that dune up there ahead, you'll see Stony Point and Betty's Bay. And back to the here and now, nothing better than to walk the beach with a bunch of friends, and yeah, isn't that nice? It's good company and good surroundings. Oh, there they go.
Ayer die.
There's few places in the world you've got free access to places like this. Where in the world do you imagine being able to walk such distance and not see people? No crowds, no houses, no traffic.
And that's why you like to get away from that stuff.
Precisely. to get a perspective of what we're missing around the bend, and maybe there's a beach. There's not really a beach here. But that's a nice dune too, if you want to come, because you can drive all the way to the bottom of that dune. We bring our sandboards, we go surfing there. Huh?
A sandboarding.
Dune boarding. We must do that. Yeah, I used to do it as a kid in Fishhook.
Okay.
You know, Pierre's Cave. There's an old Bushman cave behind on the other side of the sand dunes in Fishhook.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go and put my bag down and go for a swim. I'm hot. You coming for a swim? Yeah, I know it looks cold and cloudy, but actually it's kind of warm and humid and hardly any wind at the moment. There we go. Next guy, take. There goes the water, baby. There goes another one. Oh! Are we ready? We're filming. There we go. Hey!
That's not the right one.
Look at that. Peter, I'm gonna go and have a look. Come and have a look. Yeah. Don't go too close. Maybe there are people there. I don't know.
Somebody's lost one of people. And they have
Yeah, I'll be interested. Oh, God, I'd love to live there. Look at that. Man, to have this as a driveway, eh?
What goodness is your After it's sorted, then you can only make a plan.
Ooh, gotta look back. There we're going back and forth. Through to the Garden of Eden. There we go. And after a very rewarding walk near Hangklip, we head back towards the lighthouse and the car park, and onward to the next adventure. Watch the next episode. Let's see what happens.